Okay, okay. Kamwes.
Gagi, may naka-tier 8 sa kanila.
Demon. Hoy, silent. Jamie, KLD pa sa kayo. Tara na.
Wait lang, nagbablock screen ng palig.
Puda posy. Uy, kailangan ko yan sa engage, uy.
Shield ako rin yung shield mo.
Ang ina, black screen na naman.
Lagyan mo ng shield si, si Ascendant, please. Thank you.
Ayoko nga.
Ano ba yan?
Come northeast. Puda posy.
Ulo ko yun. Nag-defensive na sila.
Nag-defensive, gago.
O nag-engage siya rin. Parang defensive lang engage.
Push, please. Keep pushing now. Ngayon.
Gigapats. Pagpasok nyo, Gigapats. Pagpasok kayo, Gigapats.
Comeback. Wala yung ano ko. Asa na yung guard room?
Ay, gago na to. Gago, may nag-shaper. Kupal.
Si Johnny.
Naka-inbi dito na si shaper. Ito to.
Sabi ata yan.
Debate tayo.
Hindi. Hilios. T4 plat ang puta, gago, nagsi-shaper.
Pare, nabam ata sila sa likod. Nabam sila sa likod.
Oh, eh? Pwede ka naman push?
Defensive. Wala silang defensive.
Tara, push, everyone. Push. Ready defensive. Push, keep pushing. Please, keep pushing lang. Keep pushing.
Gigapats sa pagpapasok, ha.
Push. Please, push. Keep pushing. Ready dep. Keep pushing. Push. Spread now. Spread. Look at me, boys. Keep pushing. Come north. Defensive. Come north now. Push north. On the ground, boys. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Kita nyo. Drop. Ang tagal ng DPS ko. Nice one. Nakakill tayo. Nice one. Spread out. Okay, keep rolling. Keep rolling, boys. Come west. West. Pre, ready dep. Wait. Uy, sa defensive yan, boy. Spread out. Keep pushing. Spread out. Keep pushing. Spread out.
Magta-turn na yan.
Uy, T7 kayo, boy. Pre, heal na punta. Keep going.
Nasa likod pa yung mga DPS mo, Rio.
Ang dami mo kulang Rio. Ang dami mo kulang, Rio.
Push now. Keep pushing lang. We don't care naman. Keep pushing. Pre, look at me, boys. In 3, 2, 1. Uminaw. Ay, gago. Na-stop ako. Wag na. Okay, we heal muna tayo. Wait. Spread out. Heal.
Rio, may engage na sila, ha?
Oo. Spread out muna. Wait. Now, push west. Oh, ano na naman yan? Bana. Uy.
Natap yan. Defensive dapat yung Q ko yan.
Aray ko. Push everyone. Look on me now. In 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Huge.
Where's my drop? Where's my DPS?
Huge palang damage.
Uy, Chardy, wag kang mag doon sa engage yan. Aray ko. Spread out. Keep moving south. Spread out, ha.
Hold nyo inyo. Huwag mag-random eh.
Spread out, please. Yung root bound ko, pre. Spread out. Defensive. Walk in. Walk southeast. Everyone,
Oh my God.
3, 2, 1. Now. Drop.
Gago,
Wala
balik.
ka drop. Sige lang, keep rolling. Wait, come back. Come back now. Defensive, please. Nice one, boys. Push now. Push again. Push.
Oh my god, bro.
We push. Push, boy. Keep pushing. Bro, on the ground, boys. 3, 2, 1. Uminaw. Putang ina, DPS ko.
Balik mo na.
Come back. Pre, ready dep. Spread out. Spread, please. Spread now. Push everyone. Apakabagal niya mag-push.
Kalma lang.
Oh my
Push na.
god.
Puta, hinihintay ko pa kayo dito. Push.
Dalawa pang guys.
Come back nga. Push, please. Push na nga.
Nakapasok na kami, boss, ha?
Ang bagal niyo mag-push, pre.
Ito, patayin nyo damnation.
Yak. Spread out. Spread muna. Spread. We heal. Pre, guard rune dun. Aray ko.
Trigger yung mga namatay.
Pre, gago. Ang laki ng nakain ko dun.
Wala, naka-stack
Hindi
yung
na
party.
Sige lang. Keep pushing. Push lang.
DPS, punta sa likod.
Pre, yung guard rune. Gamitin nyo yan sa ano. Putang ina.
Okay.
Keep moving lang.
Engaging
Keep
sila.
moving lang.
Ay,
Keep moving lang. Dep tank, slow them, please. Dep tank, slow them. Keep
Oy,
pushing,
oy, color yung sabi niyan, gago.
Push. Sige lang. Push now. Everyone, push now. On the ground, boys. In 3, 2, 1. All of them now. All of them. Where's my engage? Where's my DPS again? Keep pushing. Wait. Hold here. Ayan na naman.
Rootbound.
Nag-rootbound na naman ng walang wenta.
Looking sila, looking.
Defensive. Push again. No fear. Push. No fear. Push, please. Oh, wala na yung guard rune natin. Aray ko. Okay, come back, please. Come back.
Hindi yung guard rune ko.
Come back.
Wait na, pareset nga ako. Mag-guard doon nga rin ako. Pareset lang ako. Mag-guard doon din ako.
Sino yung isang GA natin? Mag-swap ka ng mimic, tas si Ryu yung ihit mo ng second skill mo para may guard rune.
Mag-cleanse dapat yung isang J.